Hello, this is excellent and illuminating series on unitary method. I believe that you have got intellect, and because of your intellect we will be studying the profit percent and discount percent in greater detail. See, this is tonic bottle. Doctor talking to Iti. I bought this tonic for discount 12%. Druggist charged me. Selling price rupees 440. Please calculate the mark price. See, druggist make profit percent equal to 10%. So please Iti also find cost price. See, in this case Iti has to find two things, selling price as well as the cost price. In this video, we are going to solve the second problem of discount percent. Discount percent is equal to 12%. SP is equal to rupees 440. And we are required to find MP. How are we going to find MP? Iti makes first decision. Let MP of this bottle be rupees 100. Let MP be 100. Then obviously discount will be 12. And the selling price will be 100 minus 12, that is 88. So we can solve if, since SP, when SP is 88, MP we have assumed to be 100. So therefore when SP is 1, MP will become 100 upon 88, but in the question SP is given to be 440, very dangerous number. So MP will be 88 into 440, 11 will cancel 8 times, and 4 times it will again cancel, 2 times this will cancel, 50 times. So mark price is coming rupees 500. See, profit percent is given here in the second part of the question, 10%, and we are required to find the CP. CP. Let CP be 100. Then obviously if CP is 100 and profit percent is 10, then SP will be 10 rupees. Profit will be 10. And if CP is 100 and profit is 10, then what is going to happen? If CP is 100 and the profit is 10, so if somebody gives me 110 rupees, I am going to give him the bottle. That means SP is 110. SP 110. Since SP is equal to 110, then CP is equal to 100. Therefore SP is equal to 1, then CP is equal to 100 upon 110. Therefore when SP, you can see here 440, dangerous number, CP is equal to 100 upon 110 into 440, these zeros are going to cancel, 11 will cancel, 4 times 400. So we get CP is equal to rupees 400. We have got both the answer. MP is 500 and CP is 400. See, to think clearly you need some training, and unitary method provides you that training. See, the exercise of this chapter is given attached with this video. Thank you very much.